We often stick to the wines we know, because wine labels and terms can be confusing. But understanding labels and terms enough to become a little more adventurous needn't be difficult. In these videos, I'm going to introduce a wine to you, break down the label, and explain some of the terms used. In this video, we're looking at the Tre de Tre Lupo Meraveglia from Puglia, Italy. This is a blend of Negramaro, Aglianico, and Primitivo. Lupo Meraveglia is just the name of the winery. Lupo happens to refer to an Italian wolf native to the Italian peninsula. It doesn't really tell you anything about the wine as such, it's just the name of the winery. Similarly, Tre de Tre is the name of the wine. In this case, it's 3 of 3 and refers to the 3 cousins involved and the 3 generations of the family and the 3 vines used in the blend. The next part of the label should refer to the region of origin, in this case, Salento in Puglia, the heel of the boot. The Salento Peninsula occupies the southern half of the Puglia region and is of great significance to Puglia's identity. This is the home of Lupo Meraveglia, where the soils are calcareous and clay, and the sea breeze contributes to the perfect ripening of the grapes. The abundance of rocks in the area significantly increases the presence of minerals, providing a freshness to the resulting wines. As I mentioned, this is a blend of Negramaro, Aglianico, and Primitivo. These are just grape varieties. In this case, these grapes are vinified together by using a technique which is popular among wineries, particularly in this area. This famous technique is called selasso, segni, or bleeding. What does that mean? The grapes are picked when ripe and macerated, which essentially just means squashed. And the juice is then put into a vat with the seeds and the skins, where it remains for a short period of about up to 2 days. A portion is then bled off. The first juice is then fermented on its own as rosé, referred to as Saunier Rosé. The remaining juice is then used to make a more concentrated red wine. This process results in a deeper colour, more intense fruity nose, and a higher concentration. In this instance, this wine is then aged for 6 months in oak. This lovely Salento wine combines elegance with power. On the nose, the wine has aromas of rich red fruit and jam, which merge with the sweet and spicy notes of the wood. On the palate, it shows a great structure and a persistence, with a pleasant and balanced tannic finish.